How to enable or disable push notification in the Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable push notification for the Starbucks app on your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone and now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here after that you can simply tap on manage apps, and once you tap on it you'll be prompted to the page where you can see the list of all your install apps. So here in this section you can simply scroll through the apps or tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Starbucks. And now here on the result page simply tap on Starbucks, and after that you'll be prompted to the Starbucks app settings. Now here, once you're inside the app settings, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as notification. Now here in this section you can see the option labeled as show notification. So simply toggle off that option to disable it and toggle on to enable it. And that's it. This is how you can control all push alerts from the app, including order updates and promotional messages. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.